अब हम लोग बेसिकली रिवर्स के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं। तो जो हिमालयन ड्रेनेज सिस्टम में जो द इंडस है वो लार्जर रिवर्स में वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है। इट हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट रिवर बेसिन एंड द कैचमेंट एरिया of 11,65,000 square kilometer. So you can see it flows in so much large amount of area, and whereas in India it has the catchment area of 3,21,289 square kilometer, and its total length is 2,880 kilometer in length total. So basically it originates from Bhokar. Bhokarchu in Kailash mountain, and then it has got various tributaries, like these are all Himalayan tributaries like the Shyok, the Gilgit, the Jaskar, the Hunja and Nubra, and there are other tributaries also. These are all Himalayan tributaries, and then it moves to India and it flows in Leh. In India, it is known as Sindhu in India, and whereas in Tibet it is called Singi Khambam. And then it moves, and in Mithankot it meets various tributaries of Panchnad. Panchnad is basically the rivers of the Punjab, and that have the river Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Beas. So if we see in the map, here it is something like Jhelum, and here then Chenab, Ravi and Satluj, and here somewhere Beas, and we have this large river, the Indus. So all these rivers meet at Mithankot. And finally it drains in Arabian Sagar near to Karachi. As this river is comes under Himalayan drainage system, so we have some other properties like it's peninsular, doesn't have fixed course, and like so many properties which generally a Himalayan drainage system contains. So now we will see the Ganga. The Ganga basically it flows in center of the India, in central part. So it has a huge impact in our daily life. So the Ganga.